In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Acuity scheduling. In the fast-paced world we live in, managing your time and services efficiently is the key to staying ahead. For many businesses, professionals, and freelancers, Acuity scheduling has become an indispensable tool to automate appointment bookings. But did you know that with Acuity, not only can you streamline your scheduling, but you can also accept payments seamlessly? By integrating payment processing into your scheduling system, you can provide a smoother, more convenient experience for your clients and for yourself. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by going to the Acuity scheduling website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button, usually prominently displayed on the site. Click on that to begin the process of accessing your account. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email, you'll click on Next to proceed. Once you've clicked Next, you'll be given several options for continuing. For a quick and efficient login, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, streamlining the process, especially if your Acuity account is connected to Google services. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account to use. Here, it's imperative that you select the Google account that is linked to your Acuity scheduling account. This ensures a smooth and problem-free login process. Now, this is where the real action begins. Once logged in, you need to navigate to your payment settings. To do this easily, click on the link provided or simply look for the payment settings option, usually found under your account or settings menu, depending on the interface updates. In the payment settings section, you'll be looking to connect your preferred payment method so you can start accepting payments directly through your Acuity scheduling page. Click on the link provided to connect your payment method. This will take you to a page where you can select from several payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, or Square, depending on your preference and the options Acuity provides. Choosing the right payment processor is crucial, as this is the gateway that will handle your transactions securely and efficiently, ensuring that your earnings safely make their way to your bank account. It's not just about accepting payments, it's about making the process as smooth and secure as possible for you and your clients. After selecting your payment processor, you'll need to follow the specific instructions to connect it to your Acuity account. This usually involves linking your payment processor account with Acuity by signing in through a secure gateway and authorizing the connection. This step is vital as it bridges your Acuity scheduling system with your payment processor, enabling you to collect payments directly to your bank account without any hassle. Connecting your payment method to your Acuity account is more than just a convenience, it's a step towards making your business operations smooth and seamless. This not only enhances the client experience, but also ensures you can manage your finances and bookings all in one place. And there you have it. You've just learned how to accept payments on Acuity scheduling. Remember, the goal here is to streamline your business processes, making booking and payments as easy as possible for your clients, which in turn simplifies your administrative workload. Keep in mind, setting up your payment processing is a fundamental step toward professionalizing your service offerings. It adds a layer of credibility and trust, ensuring your clients that their payments are handled securely and efficiently. Plus, with everything automated, you can focus more on providing the best services to your clients, rather than getting bogged down with administrative tasks. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Acuity Scheduling's comprehensive support resources. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.